to network, to show love, to show the care. I mean, to emphasize what we are saying, the team spirit and all that. And why do you end it here? Because we believe that the heart is inside here, and that's where the safety lies. That is our mission, to provide safe drinking water, isn't it? Aqua Safe. I missed greeting somebody.
Students have used a number of innovative measures to understand the Safe Water campaign and encourage fellow students to fully participate into this program. Here, students use a unique approach to sell their program as water champions. Separated into various groups, the water champions demonstrate how possible they can easily approach nearby communities for attitude change and use the AquaSafe tablets.
We came here to ensure that we emphasize people and teach them how to use AquaSafe tablets. AquaSafe, these are tablets that have been approved by the World Health Organization and UNICEF to treat and purify water which is used for drinking.
You said these tablets are to treat and keep water purified in order for it to be safe for drinking by human. So how can I treat my water? I use water from the borehole, and at times when the borehole is filled up with many people, I use the well water. What should I go about with using AquaSafe?
Thank you very much to ask that question. When you're a villager and you want to use AquaSafe, for water like from the wells, rivers, you use 2 tablets per jerrycan. But if at all you came across water from a tap, there you can use 1 tablet. Why? Tap water is already treated because as it passes through those pipes, yeah, those pipes are not 100% clean. So it reaches your home when some like germs are added on it. So you add that tablet to ensure that it's clearly pure.
For example, if she's like a crawling baby and by mistake she swallows that tablet, what's a possible solution to that problem?
When the baby has just swallowed that tablet, give him or her enough quantity of water. Let her drink it, or milk. If not water, it can be milk. Then after, you take it to a physician, yeah, to treat him.
I am a student from Soroma Christian High School, and I am a water champion in my school. I've come here to teach you about how you can keep your water safe apart from boiling it. And here are some tablets that I have brought. They are AquaSafe tablets. These tablets are 12.
What if in my place I have muddy water? What do I do first?
You're supposed to first sieve it to remove the dirt in it. Then after sieving, you put there 2 tablets of water because it was muddy and it was dirty. So you put 2 tablets of water of AquaSafe.
If I don't have a 20-liter jerrycan and I have 2 10-liter jerrycans, can I divide the tablet and put 1/2 in one and another half in one?
It's not advisable to break them in pieces because you might not know the amount of chlorine and sodium in the other half and this other half. Any other question?
If I have bigger jerrycans of water, what do I do? Should I just calculate the amount of tablets to put, or should I buy smaller jerrycans?
You can borrow a 20-liter jerrycan from any neighbor because really a 60-liter jerrycan can't work. So you borrow from any neighbor. Hope you can please save your money and buy a 20-liter jerrycan.
AquaSafe.
Assure, fast, and
As the project rolls down to the communities, a number of questions are still coming up to the implementers, and these include: how safe are these AquaSafe tablets? How do these tablets differ from chlorine? What defects do AquaSafe tablets cause to human health? What about the irritation as you take it?
Locally, this product, when we introduced it, National Drug Authority checked it and approved it. But internationally, other organizations, to start with, is UNICEF. UNICEF approved the use of chlorine-based products in the purification of water, and our product comes from the UK. So from the time before it came here, actually, it was used elsewhere in those developed countries and was certified by UNICEF. UNICEF is very sensitive on anything to deal with children. So if you see them approving, just know that the product is very safe.
It's like how you have sugar and salt in your house. That's the way you should have Aquasafe. Like in a homestead, if all the children and parents are feeding on that water, it can save a lot in terms of treatment of waterborne diseases.
As students try to respond to challenging questions, there is still more need to bring all stakeholders on board to reverse the ever-increasing demand for non-contaminated water.
We find different ways to get down to the communities that even the grandmother deep down in the village can afford compared to the firewood or the electricity that should be using.
We will actually involve the policymakers, more especially the line ministries, the district authorities, because the next step actually is to make sure that the district authorities are part of this in all the areas where we're going to be involved, such that they can reinforce. We don't want it to be, coerced on people, but to be reinforced and motivated in other schools to pick it up. Because the idea is we start with the schools. At some point, we don't have resources to cover all the schools in Uganda. But we want this to be part and parcel of the school's arrangement to provide safety to the students.
Chengamba, Zirina Chenonya, Zirina Chembasaba, Mumbe Kumirembe, Zirina Chengamba, Zirina Chenonya, Zirina Chembasaba.